The question is, a block of mass 4 kg is suspended from the ceiling with help of a steel wire of radius 2 mm and negligible mass. Find the stress in the wire and we are given that G is equal to pi square. So let's see the solution to this question. So we need to find the stress, which is equal to force upon area and has the formula mg upon pi r square. Now we are given that G is equal to pi square. So this will cut 1 pi with 1 pi. Now we are left with m pi upon r square, and the value of m is 4 kg of mass and radius is 2 meter. So 2 square is 4 and 4 gets cancelled. Now we are left with value of pi and 10 raised to minus 3 square also, as then we'll convert it into MKS form. So now the value of stress will be equal to pi into 10 raised to power 6, that is 3.14 into 10 raised to power 6 Newton meter square. So this value of stress will be 3.14 into 10 raised to power 6 Newton meter square.